CATESOL 2024 State Conference is on the horizon, November 14th through 16th. This year's theme is Empowering Voices, Bridging Communities Through Civic Learning and Digital Literacies. This hybrid event at California State University, Los Angeles features virtual sessions on Thursday and in-person sessions on Friday and Saturday. Are you wondering why to attend the CATESOL State Conference? Here are some great reasons to do so. Do you know that CATESOL has been supporting educators, administrators, students, staff, and others concerned with the teaching of English as a second or foreign language, standard English as a second dialect, or bilingual education since its establishment in 1969? That's over 5 decades of advocacy and advancement of the quality of English language teaching and learning. Attending a CATESOL conference is an unmatched opportunity for you to make currency in our field. You will get up-to-date information about statewide concerns, issues, and teaching methods. With workshops provided by experts and professionals in this field, you'll get usable and practical ideas for supporting you and your students. Learn something today and use it tomorrow. At the conference, you'll have the opportunity to complete multiple hours of professional development by attending plenaries, workshops, poster sessions, educational materials expositions, and networking sessions. You can support your colleagues and your profession by attending workshops, by giving presentations, and by participating in discussions. That increases your visibility and credibility in the field. Connect with a CATESOL interest group at the conference. Joining an interest group meeting is a step in establishing a community of practice focused on your needs and interests. Gather with people in the level you align with to gain knowledge about and contribute insight into relevant issues, whether it's K-12, adult education, community college, college and university, or international English programs. After the conference, you can share what you learn with others. You and your colleagues will be able to collaborate and exchange ideas based on what you discover at the conference. This benefits you, your department, and your students. Support CATESOL through your participation and attendance. CATESOL appreciates your support to keep providing valuable information and training to the field.